Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for the best tennis rackets? In this video we will look at some of the best tennis rackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Wilson Hyper Hammer 5.3. The Hyper Hammer has been a favorite among tennis beginners for over 25 years, earning its reputation as one of Wilson's most trusted and best-selling rackets. Its standout feature is the lightweight design, which allows players to swing effortlessly, making it ideal for long sessions on the court without straining the shoulders or elbows. This ease of use is especially important for new players who are still building stamina and learning proper technique. Beyond just comfort, the Hyper Hammer makes generating spin surprisingly simple, helping beginners quickly improve their shots and experiment with different ball trajectories. Its balanced feel also instills confidence, especially when serving, allowing new players to focus on accuracy rather than worrying about control. Another major benefit is the oversized head, measuring 110 square inches. This generous surface area makes off-center hits far more forgiving, giving beginners a larger sweet spot to connect with the ball. This makes serves, volleys, and returns feel more consistent, reducing frustration while learning. The combination of lightweight, balance, and forgiveness makes it a versatile choice for newcomers seeking both performance and comfort. What makes the latest Hyper Hammer particularly appealing is its price point. It offers many of the features of mid-range rackets but comes with a beginner-friendly cost, making it an excellent option for those just starting out who want a reliable racket without breaking the bank. With its thoughtful design, playability, and affordability, the Hyper Hammer continues to be a top recommendation for novice tennis players looking to enjoy the game while improving quickly. Specs: length, 27.5 inches. Weight, 8.96 ounces. Head size, 110 square in. Grip sizes, 4-inch 0, 41/8, 1, 41/4, 2, 43/8, 3, 41/2, 4. Number 2. Babolat Boost S. Babolat rackets are well-designed, highly respected, and loved by players at all levels, including many professionals. Tennis expert Machi even told us that Babolat is a brand that I always come back to, which says a lot about their consistency and quality. The Boost series, including the Boost S, is specifically crafted for beginners, offering everything a new player needs while avoiding unnecessary complexity. Its design focuses on giving players an extra boost on their returns, enhancing power without sacrificing control or comfort. This makes it easier for beginners to experiment with new shots and gain confidence quickly. We appreciate the racket's 10-ounce construction, which strikes a perfect balance. It's light enough to allow smooth, effortless swings for long rallies but substantial enough to deliver powerful, penetrating shots when needed. The Boost S also provides the kind of feel that makes the game more enjoyable, helping beginners focus on improving technique instead of fighting the racket. Its manageable weight and forgiving response ensure that players can play longer sessions without fatigue or discomfort. Price-wise, the Boost S hits the ideal middle ground. Like the Wilson Hyper Hammer 5.3, it's highly affordable, but in some ways, it's even more approachable for beginners who want to upgrade from basic, entry-level rackets without spending a fortune. With its thoughtful design, comfortable handling, and beginner-focused features, the Babolat Boost S is a smart choice for anyone starting out in tennis who wants to play better, faster, and with more confidence. Specs: length, 27 inches. Weight, 9.8 ounces. Head size, 102 square in. Grip sizes, 41/8, 1, 41/4, 2, 43/8, 3. Number 3. Wilson Clash 108 V2. Let's be upfront, the Clash 108 V2 isn't the cheapest option out there. However, for beginners who are serious about the game or simply appreciate quality, it's easily one of the most comfortable rackets available. Its standout feature is the perfect balance between comfort, power, and control. This combination allows players to hit with above-average accuracy while still enjoying a forgiving feel on off-center shots, which is crucial for those still developing their skills. The enlarged sweet spot makes it much easier to connect consistently with the ball, reducing frustration and helping beginners gain confidence quickly. The Clash 108 V2 also excels in versatility. Whether you're working on your ground strokes, volleys, or serves, the racket provides enough responsiveness to refine technique without being overwhelming. Its slightly heavier weight adds stability while still allowing for smooth, effortless swings, creating a reliable feel during long rallies. Players can experiment with different shot types and gradually improve their game, all while minimizing the risk of fatigue or strain. While the price may give some pause, it's worth considering the long-term value. This racket is built to last, outperforming many sub-$100 models that often wear out or lose their feel after a few months of regular play. For beginners, investing in the Clash 108 V2 from the start can pay off, providing years of dependable performance and helping build solid fundamentals before moving on to more expensive rackets. In short, it's an investment in both comfort and skill development. Specs: length, 27.25 inches. Weight, 10.48 ounces. Head size, 108 square in. Grip sizes, 4-inch 0, 41/8, 1, 41/4, 2, 43/8, 3, 41/24. Number 4. Head Geo Speed. The Geo Speed is another excellent value option from one of tennis's most trusted brands, offering features that make it a strong choice for beginners. This racket stands out with its large hitting surface and durable construction, two qualities that are essential for players still developing their swing and technique. Its 27.5-inch length is particularly useful for smaller players or those with shorter swings, helping them generate more reach and power without overexertion. At the same time, it's versatile enough to benefit any beginner who is just getting into the game and wants a reliable, easy-to-handle racket. While it's not a professional-grade, high-end racket, the Geo Speed is perfectly suited for recreational players or novices. The forgiving sweet spot and sturdy frame make it easier to hit consistent shots and reduce the likelihood of mishits, which can be discouraging when you're just starting out. Its design emphasizes practicality over flashy features, focusing on what matters most for a beginner: comfort, reliability, and ease of use. One of the biggest selling points of the Geo Speed is its impressive value. For those looking to add a dependable racket to their collection without spending a fortune, this model delivers more than enough performance for casual play or weekend matches. Its balance of affordability, playability, and build quality makes it a standout choice for new players who want a racket they can grow into. Overall, the Geo Speed proves that a beginner-friendly racket doesn't have to break the bank. Specs: length, 27.5 inches. Weight, 10.4 ounces. Head size, 105 square in. Grip sizes, only 4-3/8-3. Number 5. Wilson Burn 100 ULS V5. The latest Burn racket doesn't just look sleek and stylish on the court, it's also an excellent option for beginners who want a lightweight, easy-to-handle racket. One of its biggest advantages is how effortless it makes swinging, reducing strain on the wrists, elbows, and shoulders during longer sessions. This makes it ideal for players who are still building strength and stamina but don't want their joints to suffer as they practice and play. Its design emphasizes stability and maneuverability, helping beginners feel confident whether they're working on volleys, ground strokes, or serves. Despite its light weight, the Burn doesn't compromise on performance. The stiff carbon fiber construction provides enough power to deliver satisfying, controlled shots without the player needing to exert extra force. This balance between lightweight handling and responsive power makes it highly versatile, giving beginners a tool that can adapt as their skills improve. The combination of maneuverability, stability, and controlled power helps build proper technique while keeping the game enjoyable. Another standout feature is its approachable price. The Burn sits comfortably in the mid-range, offering excellent value for beginners who want a high-quality racket without stretching their budget. It's a true Goldilocks option when compared with other Wilson models, perfectly balancing performance, ease of use, and affordability. For anyone starting out or seeking a reliable upgrade from basic entry-level rackets, the Burn offers everything a new player could want in terms of playability, comfort, and design. Specs: length 27 inches, weight 9.7 ounces, head size 100 square in, grip sizes 4-inch 0, 41/8, 1, 41/4, 2, 43/8, 3,